Welcome to today's presentation, How to Encourage Critical Thinking in Students. Critical thinking is a fundamental skill that empowers learners to analyze, evaluate, and innovate. Let's dive into how we can nurture these skills in our classrooms. What is critical thinking? First, let's define critical thinking. It's the ability to analyze information critically, solve complex problems, and make informed decisions. These skills are vital for success not just in education but in every aspect of life. Why is critical thinking so important? It enhances problem solving skills, prepare students for real world challenges, and foster adaptability. In today's fast paced world, critical thinkers are lifelong learners who can thrive in any environment. To encourage critical thinking, the first step is to create a thinking culture, foster a safe and inclusive environment where students feel comfortable expressing their ideas, asking questions, and even challenging assumptions. This builds their confidence and curiosity. Next, teach students the art of asking great questions. Socratic questioning techniques like why, how, and what if, and fantastic tools to explore ideas deeply. Open ended questions push students to think beyond the surface. Engage students with real world problems like current events or case studies. Let them propose multiple solutions and evaluate the outcomes of each. This not only enhances their problem solving skills but also prepares them for real world scenarios. Collaboration is key. Group activities like solving puzzles or debating expose students to different perspectives and teach them how to work together to solve challenges. These activities encourage teamwork and critical analysis. Reflection is another powerful tool. Encourage students to keep journals or participate in class discussions where they analyze their learning experiences. Reflecting on their thought processes helps them refine their critical thinking skills. Assessments are an excellent way to evaluate and develop critical thinking. Design assignments that focus on analysis, evaluation, and synthesis. Rubrics can help in assessing their skills effectively and consistently. Be a role model for critical thinking. Demonstrate how to break down complex problems, evaluate evidence, and think aloud during problem solving. When students see this in action, they are more likely to emulate it. Finally, leverage technology. Apps, online platforms, and virtual simulation can make learning interactive and engaging while fostering critical thinking. Technology is a fantastic tool to bring real world challenges into the classroom. Critical thinking is a skill that empowers students to succeed in learning and in life. By implementing these strategies, we can help our students become thoughtful, innovative, and adaptable learners. Let's inspire a generation of critical thinkers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.